Hello friends, welcome back. How are you doing? It is Monday morning and I have been just go, go, go. So I made an order this morning with Instacart and I have Smith's coming here delivering me some groceries because I am working on a freezer meal collab. It's another breakfast one. Recipes you've never seen me do before. They're gonna be really good, so stay tuned. And I thought I had like more time to work on this collab. It's a fun collab. Women that you love. Oh my gosh, so excited. But Derek surprised me with my birthday present, and I hadn't shared with you guys what my birthday present was. So
You and Callie are going to North Carolina.
You're gonna be with Auntie Ash?
oh my gosh!
Spend Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with them.
Yeah.
Next week?
My birthday present from Derek is a plane ticket for me and Callie to fly out to North Carolina this week to surprise my niece for her Sweet 16 party. And we're so excited to go to North Carolina. So this is up while I'm there because we didn't want to ruin the surprise for Jocelyn. So, all right, so I have a lot to do to get ready for that collab because I leave Wednesday, today is Monday. So as soon as my groceries get here, I'm gonna start filming that for you guys. Right now I am making dinner and I just threw in some chicken thighs in there, some frozen chicken thighs in my crock pot. So I am making the pesto ranch chicken. I do have a video on it, click below. I was looking through my binders and I couldn't find my printed recipe. So I went on YouTube to look for it. And so I could see exactly how to make it. I used to have this recipe by heart. I know it's ranch dressing, you can use the packets, but like something out of here is like 3 tablespoons, and then some pesto, and I love the pesto from Costco. Oh my gosh, so good. The one from Sam's Club is good too. So I'm just looking on how I make this recipe. I used to have it by memory, but thank goodness I do YouTube because I could go back to my videos. I love it. My mom does it too. She's like, it's so great. Yes, it is, Mom. So here's my 6 ounces of the pesto.
You're also going to need a half cup of chicken broth. Stir them and put them
Oh, half cup of chicken broth, okay. So I'm just gonna add that in here. This is an awesome freezer meal, you guys. This is actually one of my top go freezer meals. All right, this is the chicken stock I'm gonna use from Costco. So our friends in Canada already celebrated their Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I got so many messages from you guys and how you celebrated it and how you were already preparing and watching all the Thanksgiving footage that I have to help you, and that's awesome. Love that. Okay, I'm gonna pour this over. All right. This is gonna cook on low for 6 to 8 hours. I have done this so many times with frozen chicken thighs. It works out beautifully, so. All right, I'm just gonna make sure that it's on because I've done that before. All right, I don't have to think about dinner. That is cooking. Okay, so as soon as my groceries get here, we're gonna get cooking. But we did go to bed last night with a sink full of dishes, so I'm gonna get going on that. So let's take care of this the fast way, shall we? All right, it is done. Dishwasher is running. Here's some extra things that I washed. I'm all set. Would you just look at her? She loves the sun and just finding a spot where it's beaming and enjoy it. Oh, she's such a sweet puppy. All right, soon as I was done, the Instacart man was here with my Smith's delivery. More aluminum pans for the freezer meals. Bisquick. Saran wrap. A gluten-free Bisquick. Light brown sugar. chorizo sausage. I wanted some carbonation, so I got a 7-Up. Medium cheddar cheese. Some heavy whipping cream. Some more medium cheddar cheese. Monterey Jack. Green onions. Green peppers. Monterey Jack. Hash browns. Tater tots. Bacon. And peach and strawberry yogurt for the kids' lunches. So, all right, it is here. Time to make that freezer meal. Lots of freezer meals. I think 5 freezer meals to be exact. So I'm gonna get going on this. So when I have a lot of recipes to make, I have this recipe stand here that I got from Giggy's. It's in Salt Lake City. And I just put all my sheets on here. And then I just have it to the side, and then I start working. So I have got all 5 recipes on there. I'm ready to set up and start filming. All right, I've just finished one of the meals, and now I am working on a little snack. So I have some Chobani strawberry Greek yogurt, yum. And then I am putting some of this granola in that I got from Costco. It's so good. Almonds, honey, pecan, sunflower seeds, coconut, vanilla, salt, and cinnamon. Oh my gosh, so good. Yum, 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 yum. So good. When I prepare videos like this, I usually thoroughly go through all the recipes and make sure I have all the ingredients. And I thought I did, and I was so proud of myself this morning. Well, you wanna know what? My eyes overlooked the fresh asparagus in this recipe. Oh! So this one's on hold. Man! And now I'm gonna be working on this one I just finished. And now I'm just going to do another one. And it'll probably be this one.
Another testament from Jesus Christ. Crystal Savannah!
Now we're just going to end the night with family home evening, and we're going to watch a couple of Book of Mormon videos from the new Book of Mormon series that is out, that's put out by the church. If you're interested in seeing some videos about the Book of Mormon, I'll leave them down below. But we're going to have family night now.
Good afternoon. It's the next day. How are you? Yes, I still look like poo. That's because I'm got things to do. I showered today, but I was like, I am not doing my hair. I'm not doing my makeup. I am gonna wash my hair tomorrow. That's the day of the flight. And I'll put on makeup tomorrow. I am gonna make myself look better though, because I gotta go fix a nail. Would you just look what I did? Oh, my sister wants to FaceTime. Hello friends. Yes, as the day goes on, I'm just looking worse and worse, but that's what it is. I am down in my old town. I had to take care of some things, and I am at Denise's house. And yes, I will show you just a little, and she lets me share just a little, but I know a lot of you want like a full house tour, but no. Here is her dining room table. This is so awesome. This is where we have witch's tea, and we sit around the table like at her Halloween party, and we eat and we laugh and we mingle. Here's another little nook in her living room.
or dining room. Love it. Oh, it's just, she's got such a good touch. I just absolutely love it. There's so many neat little touches like Harry the spider. Oh, gotta love the piano. Yeah. So much fun stuff. I love how she did this little nook here in this cabinet this year. She got this these lights that sync up to music, and she has her little cemetery right here. This is going down into her family room. And here is the organ that she got at the DI for 80 bucks. You guys, this is over 100 years old. Look at that. Oh, it's awesome. Her house is just so much fun. Yeah, there's her kitchen. Well, I'm just gonna visit with her for a little bit and start packing. I got some packages from you guys and letters in my P.O. box, so I'm so excited to open those and see those. And then I'm gonna head home and start packing. Much to do, so I thought you would love this little Halloween bit before I continue with the rest of the vlog. Good morning, friends. All right, it is Wednesday morning, and today's the day Kelly and I fly out, and I'm working on one last load of laundry. Yeah, I am just getting the last of what I think I'm gonna wear on my strip in the washing machine. I've got a pile of stuff I want to pack, and I'm like right there. Thank goodness I bought that vinegar at Costco. This is all I have left. And I put that where my fabric softener go, and it deodorizes and fluffs up your clothes. Especially if you have stinky boys. Yeah. Before I could leave for a trip, I try to get my bedroom clean, and my bedroom is clean. I wanted to make the bed, but Derek's remote to lower his mattress isn't working, so he's gonna have to figure that out, and he can make the bed. So, but I am gonna I'm gonna skip ahead to zone 3 or 4, where I do the master bedroom, and I'm gonna deep vacuum my bedroom with the Kirby that I have, and I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna skip ahead and do that because the floor needs to be vacuumed deeply so bad. All right. Oh, it felt so good. It's gorgeous. Yes. Okay, so I am deciding which purses to bring, or purse. So this one is a backpack purse, and it's very convenient. And then there's this little guy that I can wrap around me or just hold by the handle, and I could take the straps off. My phone fits there, and inside is spots for your card, for your ID, your cards, and your cash and change. And I was able to fit a lipstick here, or chapstick. So this is awesome. I think I'll just bring this anyway. But then I have this purse. And all my cards and stuff are right in this pocket. You just flip it down and there it is. And I like this one too. So I don't know. So, and then I love this bag. I might bring this with my laptop. This is a Lily Jade bag. It's supposed to be a diaper bag, but I use it for everything. And I've used this on a overnight trip that I did with my dad to the U2 concert, and I put everything, my toiletries, the clothes, in this bag, and this was my carry-on, and it worked beautifully. So here's the closet, and I have potential things to bring all right here. I gotta go downstairs and pick out a suitcase and grab a couple of airplane pillows for us. Decisions. All right, I'm gonna go make myself look better than this, and I'll share with you what I'm packing, how I'm packing. Why not?
Well, I am ready. And I just gotta put everything in a suitcase. And then we're off in just a little bit. I am eating. I am so hungry. I heated up one of the country breakfast bowls. Guys, remember from my freezer meal breakfast video, these country breakfast bowls with potatoes and cheese and bacon and eggs. Yum. So what I did to reheat this was, I put it on a soft melt sensor in my microwave for probably about 2 minutes. And then I stirred it, and then I microwaved it just normally for like 1.5 minutes. So good. So, I'm hungry. It is noon, around noon, maybe 12:30. So I'm gonna eat this, pack my suitcase, and we'll be out the door in a little bit. The kids will be home from school. Today's a half day because their fall break starts. So we'll drop them off at Oma and Opa's while Derek takes us to the airport. Derek is amazing and he's packing my suitcase, but you know I'm not gonna know how to do this when I get back home. What did you do?
I just packed it.
So I have 1 pair of shoes. What's in here? My toiletry bag.
Hoodies.
A hoodie, a light sweater, shoes for hiking, curling iron, undies, shirts, pants. Holy crap, I can't bring home anything. Holy moly. That is one tight suitcase. You know I'm gonna be calling you going, how do I pack this to come home?
I'm gonna laugh.
Thanks for the encouragement.
You're welcome.
I have this bag with my laptop, Callie's laptop. But is she getting a backpack? I really don't want to take care of her laptop.
She should be grabbing her back.
Good. All right. Make sure I have one of these battery charger. All right. Headphones for the flight. Callie needs to make sure she has her ID on her. That would suck. All right, I'm all packed. We're heading out.